Starting. Let's go. Motor starting. Okay, we're back out again learning manual on the DJI Neo. I'm using this controller, I'm using these goggles, and we're having lots of fun. I'm like 5 or 6 weeks into learning manual now. The cool thing about today is there's nobody around. We're in the middle of nowhere and there's zero wind. So I'm going to take her up really high. I'm going to practice some diving, coming straight down. Hopefully we're not going to smash into this floor. And then I'm going to try taking off in manual and landing in manual in the back of the car. So let's see what happens. First of all, let's take off in manual. Okay, we are recording. We are in manual. We are at 13 degrees. Let's change that a little bit higher. Let's go to 19 degrees. So quite steep angle. We should be able to get some speed now. Let me remember how to do it. Throttle down. Motor's starting. Let's go. Zero wind today, which is very unusual for Perth. So that's exciting. Let's have a look about. So much more control when there's zero wind. Okay, let's do this and then get some height. Here we go. So just take it straight up. Oh, no, manual mode. I've gone too high. So I must have some sort of limit set there. So it's taking me into normal mode at 120 meters. Let's have a look down. I mean, that's a fair distance. So let's drop it down a little bit height-wise. Where's the car? Let's turn it round. Okay, and now I'm going to drop it back into manual. See, I didn't know this setting was up. I don't normally fly high. So let's try to go back into manual. Oh, it's saying, still saying too high for manual. Okay, now it's gone away. So it must be at 100 meters. Okay, back into manual. And let's just drop it down. And then pull it out. No, 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 no. Whoa, nearly lost her there. Obviously way too steep for the Neo, for the prop guards, for the propellers, all the things that you guys are telling me in the comments that I know very little about. So let's try and do another one, not quite so steep, not quite so high. Let's go about 80 meters. 75, 80. Okay, where are we? Let's see if we can get down here. Yeah, see, that's a nice controlled another one. Okay, we're at 23% battery. So what I want to have a go at is seeing if I can land in manual and put it straight into the back of the car. without breaking the car or breaking the drone. So let's see. I think actually my coffee is standing in the back of the car. So this could have dire consequences. But if it makes a good video, super slow coming in. I would say that was a success. Right beside the coffee, right beside my shoes. Nice. Okay, we're not picking up the satellites now when I'm sitting inside the back of the boot there, but let's have a go, see if we can fly it directly out, and then I'll hover around till I get. Oh no, I've got my satellites now. I was just being impatient. Okay, so we're in manual. Let's see if we can take off from the boot directly. Motor's starting. Yes. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's do the same again. Let's have a fly around. So for this one, let's go see how far we can go this way towards the beach. Now, last time I'd done this, I did lose a little bit of reception. And I think it's because those dunes are in the way. But this is Australia for you. Like, I'm half an hour out of Perth, north, and beautiful beaches, and there's nobody about. Look, it's a really cool, safe flying. We are at 670 meters away from me now. Pretty good reception. I'm a little bit nervous about going lower. Not one person on the beach. Okay, let's try and bring her back. Hug these dunes a little bit more. Just keep an eye on the signal. Well, there's a nice gap. I haven't seen that before. Look at this. Not a tight gap, but a cool gap. Oh, look. See, we lost a little bit of reception then. Going a bit red on the reception. Yeah, and again there, it's breaking up a touch. That's a pity, because I'd like to fly through there a little bit closer. I mean, we are 400 meters away, and we've got this big sand dunes here. Let's see if we can land back in the boat, the boot again. Now I'm making it a little bit harder because I'm sitting in it. Oh no, the coffee is that one didn't work. First crash of the day, 2 battery packs. That's not bad for me. That's like a record. Okay, for the last battery, I've seen a nice gap through there, through that tree, and then we'll come down and I'll see if I can race around that circuit a little bit, hugging these tracks. Obviously, there's a little bit of a risk that I might have to go for a walk, but hopefully not. Motor's starting. Okay, let's come back round. Have a look at this gap. Okay, so that's the gap. We done it. That was quite nice. And then let's come through here. Not too steep there, but We somehow made that again. I'm pushing my luck way too much on that. Makes it look like I know what I'm doing, but that is more luck than anything. That was better. That was way better. Whoa, that was not as open as I thought it was. Oh. Okay, let's have some more fun. Well, I've come down the bottom here now. We've got a cool place to take off from. See it from the other point of view. So, let's drop through here. Back round. See if I can do something fast through here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And if I can do that gap in the opposite direction. This is probably silly. Alright, where was it? Oh, that didn't work, but I landed right by the car. Yeah, if you're going to crash, do it right next to the car. Okay, final test. Let's fly out of here in manual, land it back in here in manual when the camera's inside. Let's see what happens. Motor's starting, stand out of the way. Oh, motor's stopped. Propulsion system error. Oh no. Oh no, we've actually broken. Look at this. Broken. This part is broken here, which is where the propellers go onto. I don't think it will still fly. If it might do. Okay, don't try this at home. Don't keep flying when it's like that. Oh, yeah, we're still working. Okay, I'm not gonna go too crazy with it though, because it's definitely broken. Okay, let's see if we can land back in, which was the goal for today, with some sort of finesse. I'm gonna do it slow. Not sure about the finesse, but we are in here. It's over here. I don't know if you can see. Sunblock is in the way. We made it. We have a broken drone. Now I've got to decide whether I send that in to be repaired. Okay, I'll have to look into DJI, see what they do. Unfortunately, I didn't do the DJI Care. I wish I had. For the next drone I buy, probably get another Neo. I will definitely do the DJI Refresh Care thing, where they replace the drone for a cheaper cost. Because of the way I fly it, I probably need to do that. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. Let me know if you have any advice down in the comments, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one.